Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to create a backup on Windows 10. Step 1. Connect a USB hard drive with enough space to your computer. This drive will be used to store your full backup, so make sure it has enough free space for all your files and system data. Step 2. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. The Control Panel is where you can access many system settings, including backup options, and it's an essential tool for managing your PC. Step 3. Click on System and Security. This section contains all the important tools for keeping your system safe, including backup and restore features. Step 4. Click on File History. File history is normally used for personal file backups, but here it will help you access the System Image Backup feature to create a full system copy. Step 5. Select System Image Backup. This option lets you make a complete copy of your Windows 10 system, including all your programs, settings, and files. Step 6. Click Create a System Image. This will open the Backup Wizard and allow you to choose where you want to save your backup and which drives to include. Step 7. Choose the drive where you want to save the backup and click Next. If you have multiple drives, you can select all the drives you want to include, then click Start Backup to begin the process. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take some time depending on how much data you have, but it ensures that you have a complete copy of your system in case anything goes wrong. When prompted to create a system repair disk, you can click No and then Close if you don't want to create it. The repair disk is optional because you can also use Windows 10 recovery tools or a bootable USB to restore your backup. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.